I would like to begin by welcoming you all here this afternoon on this very joyful occasion as we come to see Damian and Lauren announce publicly their love for one another and consent to become husband and wife.
Heart beats fast, colors and promise.
Dear Lauren, it is hard to believe after 8 years we have reached our wedding day. You are my rock, my biggest support, my best friend. Your family welcomed me with open arms, and I feel so blessed to be a part of their lives.
All of my doubt suddenly
I feel complete with you in my life. Today my bride, tomorrow my wife, forever my always. I love you forever and ever, babe. Love, Damian.
I have died every day waiting for you, darling.
For those of you who don't know me, I'm Kathleen, Lauren's younger sister. I've known her for 25 years now, since I entered this world. And since then, we've pretty much been inseparable. We have shared enough giggles and tears together for you to know how much I love you.
Time stands still.
Many of you don't know this. I've known Damian for about 22 years now. We've been through ups and downs, you know, brothers. We fight, we wrestle. I get hurt, I get blamed, and he puts it on me, whatever. We were always close as brothers. We always, as much as we fought and as much as we hated each other, we always had each other's backs. I'm happy I ended up here today, though. I really am, because I could see you two getting married. To the bride, to the groom, to everybody here that made it, and the love between all of us, all right? Cheers.
I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
What they have is so rare, you can't find what they have. They've been together since like the second week of college. That's like 8 years ago now.
Time has brought your heart to me.
I'm so proud of what they've become. Today was perfect. You guys are perfect for each other. I wish you nothing but happiness and love forever and ever. Love you.
Damian, we are now just hours away from being husband and wife. You always know what I'm thinking just by the look on my face. Sometimes I think you know me better than I know myself. I've imagined my wedding day since I was a little girl. I couldn't have foreseen a more perfect guy who will be waiting at the end of the aisle for me to say our dues. Meet you at the altar, 2:05. Love, your soon-to-be wife, Lauren Lynn.
I want to welcome Damian to the family. He's like a son to me. It's been nothing but great. He's the best thing that ever happened to Lauren besides little Lila and me.
It's now my great honor and privilege to present to you for the first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Damian Allen.